Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the diamonds and chains stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, and triple crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 1. I have already made 25 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. We're now going to start the sequence of this row. Make 3 chains. To skip 3 chains. Into this next one, make a single crochet. Chain 3. To skip 3 chains. Into this next one, single crochet. Chain 3. To skip 3 chains. Into this next one, single crochet. Make 3 chains. To skip 3 chains. Into this next one, single crochet. Make 3 chains. To skip 3 chains. Into this next one, single crochet. Make 3 chains. Skip to the last chain in this row and make a single crochet. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. These 3 chains are going to count as a double crochet. We're now going to be working into previous single crochet stitches. We're going to be skipping over these previous chain spaces completely. So into the next single crochet stitch, you're going to skip over this next chain space. So we're going to be working into this single crochet right here. Make a triple crochet into that stitch. So there's that triple crochet. You're going to make 2 chains, and then you're going to work 3 double crochet over this triple crochet you had just made. So there's how everything is looking. We're now going to start repeating this sequence from this triple crochet. You're going to skip the next chain space into this next single crochet, make that triple crochet, chain 2, then 3 double crochet over this triple crochet you had just made. Skip this next chain space into this next single crochet, make a triple crochet, chain 2, then work 3 double crochet over this triple crochet you had just made. Skip the next chain space into this next single crochet, make that triple crochet, chain 2, and then 3 double crochet over that triple crochet. Skip this next chain space into this next single crochet, make a triple crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet over the triple crochet you had just made. Now when you get to the end of your row, you're going to skip this next chain space. You're only going to have 1 single crochet left. Work 1 double crochet into that last single crochet. It's going to match the chains at the beginning of this row to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet. So row 3 is going to be similar to row 1. We need to make single crochets and then these chain spaces. So our sequence is going to be the same. It's just going to be worked into stitches and previous chain spaces instead of these chains down here. So we've already made 1 single crochet, make 3 chains, skip to this next chain space. So this was a previous chain 2. Work 1 single crochet into that space. Now we're going to start repeating this. Make 3 chains, skip to the next previous chain space and make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, skip to the next previous chain space and make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, skip to the next previous chain space and make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, skip to the next previous chain space and make a single crochet. Make 3 chains. You're going to have some chains over here, but these counted as a double crochet from our last row. So into the top of those last chains, make a single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the diamonds and chains stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.